Buying on Dhgate with PayPal is a convenient process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to make a purchase using PayPal on Dhgate. To begin, visit the Dhgate website and search for the product you want to buy. Once you've found the desired product, select it to view the details. Check the seller's information and look for accepted payment methods, specifically PayPal. If PayPal is accepted, you'll typically see it mentioned during the checkout process. Proceed to checkout by clicking the Buy Now or Add to Cart button. Log in to your Dhgate account or create one if you don't have one already. Enter your shipping information, including your address. Choose PayPal as the payment method during the checkout process. If PayPal is available, you'll be redirected to PayPal's website to log in and complete the payment. Follow the prompts on the PayPal website to finalize the transaction. Once the payment is successful, you should receive confirmation emails from both Dhgate and PayPal. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily purchase items on Dhgate using PayPal.